This page shows the types of preloads that we offer with our ball screw assemblies for this particular ball nut and diameter combination. So as you can tell, we offer 5 preload settings for this ball nut. We have axial play, 5%, 3%, reduced axial play, and 2%. In terms of your CAD drawing, this won't make a difference, but this at least tells you what kind of offerings we have with those assemblies. And it will also tell you the amount of clearance or the amount of load that you'll experience when using these preloads. So for this example, I'm just going to choose 2% preload. This page shows the types of lubrication we offer with our ball screw assemblies. For certain types of ball nuts, you'll see additional options that include lube units on the left, right, or both ends. For this particular ball screw assembly, we only have preserved and preserved with basic grease. In terms of the CAD drawing, this won't change anything on the drawing itself, so I'm just going to choose basic grease. This page shows the types of precisions we offer for this particular ball screw assembly. We have either T5 accuracy or T7 accuracy available. For other types of combinations, we will have more options, such as T9 available as well. In this case, accuracy won't affect the CAD drawing itself. So I will just choose T5 to continue onto the drawing. This page is going into the types of machinings that we offer for our ball screw assembly. This top portion right here, you can select either the machining for the floating end or the fixed end. Down in the lower left, the selection will give you the machining for the types of bearings we offer as standard per our catalog. So it would basically recommend a certain type of machining for these types of bearings. On the right hand side, it's the same concept, except it's talking about the bearing units that we offer, which include your radial bearing, your housing, your lock nut, etc. So it will recommend a type of machining for your ball screw assembly based on the specs of these bearing units. In this case, I'm just going to choose the upper portion right here, which is just selecting my own screw ends for this ball screw assembly. Now I'm going to pick the floating end for the ball screw assembly, which is we'll designate as the left end. So in this part of the program here, it'll show you the type of machine that we offer for this ball screw assembly. Basically, this is just asking you for the general form that you're requiring for your application. So in this case, I'll just choose a simple form, this form called 21, and I'll continue on to the next page. This page will give you options that use the standard 21 ends, which are shown in the catalog, or the option to modify it under certain types of restrictions. So if you need to modify it, you just click here. You can change the diameter, you can change the tolerancing, and do the same with the length as well. For more complicated ends with multiple journals on there, it will restrict you to certain lengths and diameters based on the geometry itself. So for this example, I'm just going to choose the 120 end and leave everything be and go to the next page.